Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all of you are staying safe at home. Today, we are going to study about the great Indian desert known as Thar Desert. Are you ready? Let us start. Can you see the mind map related to a desert? Can you say the things which are associated with the desert? Yes, you are right. Very good. Repeat the answer. Sand, then cactus, oasis, then camel, date palm. Very good. Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is also known as Great Indian Desert. Children, we have seen the northern mountains, northern plains, the plateau region, right? Now we travel to the northwest area and look at the expanse of sand that covers a large part of a state, India's desert land. The Thar Desert is also known as Great Indian Desert. It covers parts of Rajasthan and extends up to Pakistan in the west. See the map? Can you say which mountain range lies in the east of the Thar Desert? Yes, Aravalli range. Very good. Observe the map carefully. The Thar Desert covers parts of Rajasthan and extends up to Pakistan in the west. Thar Desert is surrounded by Aravalli range in the east. What is a desert? A desert is an area of land covered with sand that receives very less or no rainfall. Deserts have very little or no vegetation. The Thar Desert is surrounded by the Aravalli range in the east. Remember these 3 points about the desert. Sandy region receives less rainfall. Few plants grow in the desert. Understood? Characteristics of the Great Indian Desert. Characteristics means quality or special features. Describe the climate of the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is dry and sandy as it receives scanty rainfall. Scanty rainfall means the Thar Desert receives very less rainfall. Scanty means less. The climate of the Thar Desert is hot and dry in the summer and winter are cold. The summers are hot and dry and winters are cold. What is the climate of the Thar Desert? The summers are hot and dry and winters are cold. The Thar Desert is hot during the day but cold at night. As the sand gets very hot during the day and cools down quickly during the night. Why does the desert experience hot during the day and cold at night? Do you know? Because the sand gets very hot during the day and cools down quickly during the night. The river Luni flows in the Thar Desert. Name the river that flows in the Thar Desert. Can you say the answer? Yes, River Luni. Very good. The Sambar Lake is a saltwater lake located in the Thar Desert. Can you say the name of the lake which is located in the Thar Desert? The saltwater lake, the Sambar Lake. The name of the lake is Sambar Lake. It is a saltwater lake. Due to scanty rainfall, not many plants grow in the desert. The desert receives very little rainfall. We have studied, right? So, not many plants grow in the desert. Only very small plants are grow in the desert region. Few plants are grow in the desert region. Thorny shrubs and bushes, cacti, kicker, babul, and date palms are some plants that grow here. Name some plants which are grown in the desert region of India. Can you say the answer? Yes. Thorny shrubs and bushes, cacti, kicker, babul, and date palm. Very good. See the dust storms? See the picture? Dust storms usually blow in the desert as there is very little vegetation to keep the soil from being eroded. Only few plants are growing in the desert. We studied, right? So these plants cannot stop the dust storms. So these dust storms blow in the desert. What are called sand dunes? Small hills of sand called sand dunes are formed by these strong winds. The strong winds carried the sand from one place to another and form the sand dunes. In the desert, some places underground water comes to the surface and forms a pool. A pool formed by the underground water in the desert region is known as oasis. In some places, underground water comes to the surface and forms a pool. See the picture of an oasis. An oasis is a pool formed by underground water. See, plants and trees grow in these areas, right? Plants and trees grow in areas close to the oasis. What is an oasis? I explained you so many times. Yes, an oasis is a pool formed by underground water. People usually live in areas close to the oasis in the desert. The camel is called the ship of the desert. Camels are an important means of transportation in a desert. Children, protect yourself from coronavirus. Wear face mask. Wash hands frequently. Avoid contact with sick people. Stay at home. Wish you a happy day.